if y'all download Duolingo, we can be friends on there. The gym was kind of light today, like as far as like people. I hope nobody's quit like their fitness goals. I think at the time I think something is hard, I think it's terrible. Terrible, terrible. Hola mis amigas, bienvenido al gimnasio. Hey friends, welcome to the gym. Of course, we are going to work out because that's what we do on this channel. Happy February. It is February the 1st and it is the month of Black History, the month of love, the month of a federal holiday, President's Day, and you know, after this month, spring is like right around the corner. So how can you not be happy in February? And I think this year is a leap year, so it's 29 days. Like all of the good things. Like sometimes you just wake up and you just choose to find all the good things, like in small stuff that you wouldn't even think about. So that's how I feel today. And I beat that train y'all heard. I was like, don't race trains. Don't race trains. Don't do it. It's not safe. But I beat it. That's the point. So I stopped by Ulta before I came to the gym to do a pickup. Every time I go in there, I have to literally hold my hands like this so I don't buy stuff that I absolutely don't need, or like I'll try to buy doubles of stuff that I already have. Like I think I need a couple of backups. But on a different note, I told myself in March I was gonna get a new Apple Watch, so I'm excited about this. So I need to keep myself together all February, and then if I do good, I'm gonna reward myself by spending money. But anyway, today is gonna be a really simple day. I'm trying to decide like if I'm gonna do cardio with the gym or if I'm gonna go for a run after the gym, because it is beautiful. I think it's like 60 something degrees. It's like perfect running weather. So I'm not sure what the plan is, because I also want to cook something when I get home. I think we're gonna do cardio at the gym and then just hope that tomorrow is a great day to run. Okay, y'all, I obviously just want to talk to y'all. Obviously. Let's go work out. Y'all, I'm having the hardest time today in the gym with this camera because I brought a different tripod. I'm trying out a different tripod that's smaller than my big tripod. And so I done spent 15 minutes trying to figure out how to lift the tripod up and down and for it to stop wiggling everywhere. The gym struggles. I want to record an update of how I film in the gym for you guys. So hopefully I'll get that out sometime between this month and next month, because I'm kind of really excited to share, because I have so many new gadgets and stuff that I have that I didn't have like the first time that I filmed how I record in the gym. I split my cardio between two machines because it just makes it easier and less boring for me. Like I can do all my cardio on one machine, but I'm not gonna do 30 minutes on this Stairmaster. You know what I'm saying? I do 30 minutes on the elliptical, but then the elliptical eating is challenging as a Stairmaster, so I feel like I get a good mix. Like if I split my cardio between like two different machines most days. Know your limits. Know your limits. I know I would have to work my way up to this. So let's see. It don't count if you didn't track it on your watch. Don't listen to me, y'all. Okay. I thought I was gonna do that, but it's missing like a piece to it. I was so excited to do belted squats. Where? You can't have nothing in the gym. Nothing. Got myself all ready. It's missing a whole piece. It's missing a clip to make it work. All right. Guess we'll move on to the next thing, because there was a wash. Today feels like a wash at the gym. It feels like I'm wasting a bunch of time. I don't like that. Hey Siri, play Renaissance by Beyonce. Four rounds of that. Oh, she working. Y'all, what's crazy is, so I've been in the gym, right? I've been in the gym 2, 3, 4 times a week. You know, doing my little thing. So yesterday I said I was gonna work out at home because I wasn't gonna be able to make it to the gym, so I did the treadmill. And I tried to do like a 20-minute Pilates video. When I tell you the way my glutes and abs burn, the way I could not hold those positions and do those exercises for maybe like the 30 seconds or 10 count rep that she wanted us to do. I said, oh, you need to get on your Pilates game because you lacking. It was terrible. I think at the time I think something is hard, I think it's terrible. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. But I used to do like an hour of Pilates easy, like when I worked out at home all the time. Hour of Pilates, nothing. Baby, I could have died yesterday. I could have died yesterday, okay? This could be a core exercise if you engage it, like suck in, hold it, and it helped me keep my stability.
Girl, acting naughty church girl, don't hurt nobody.
I caught myself being an adult yesterday, and I scheduled like an oil change and to get my tire sensor fixed tomorrow at the dealership for 7 a.m. I don't know why I do these things, like schedule these appointments at these times when I'm feeling like in a really good mood. And I usually schedule this stuff like at between like 4 and 6 in the afternoon, which is when like I have like my highest energy. I ain't gonna want to get up at no 6:15 to be at the dealership at 7, but I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna be 35 this year and I'm an adult, full grown adult without question. So I'm gonna make this appointment, but they just sent me a reminder, which is why I'm sharing this with y'all. Okay. I for sure was about to leave the gym without doing not a bit of abs. I've been doing so good like these past few days at the gym, making sure that I do like a little bit of abs or incorporating in some kind of way, like at the end of the workout, that I'm not gonna break my streak today. So I got a streak in the gym. Tengo un streak in Duolingo. Okay, I don't know how to say streak in Spanish, but I know how to say strike. Well, not the same thing. Not the same thing. Oh, that's, yeah, I was too short on that last one. I was trying to do 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 8. Gym day completed, done. I was gonna skip abs and I was gonna skip like my bike at the end, but I'm glad I didn't. I had enough time. if I wasn't fumbling around with that tripod trying to record, then I would have had the time. So I was like, just go ahead and do it, because then later you'll be thinking how lazy of you not to do it, and you had like a little bit of time. Let me know if y'all try any of the exercises. Let me lock these doors. Let me stop it. There we go. Safety. Let me know if y'all try any of those exercises. Like that first exercise I did with those kettlebells, that kettlebell swing squat, I was going to do dumbbell squat presses. But I saw this girl doing those kettlebell swing squats, and I thought, oh my God, that looks so fun. Like, I saw her from across the gym. I was like, I'm going to do it. The burn. The best burn. Okay? It could be the pre-workout talking. It could be the pre-workout talking. But I really thought, that's good. I have to add that in. Today, all the exercise use more than one muscle group. I don't think I did any kind of isolated exercises. So tomorrow, hopefully I have like a good soreness about myself. I'm going to go home and eat some protein, which is basically like some egg whites. I'm going to go home and make some egg whites and some toast, my favorite. Mi favorito desayunado. Desayuno. My favorite breakfast. I feel like that's how you say that in Spanish. Are y'all learning a new language? Did y'all download Duolingo? If y'all download Duolingo, we can be friends on there. Okay? Download Duolingo. I still got Babbel because I paid for it. Still got Babbel, but I downloaded Duolingo again for my Spanish, and I'm enjoying it again after taking like a 9-month break from that app. Y'all download it and learn Spanish with me. Come on. Let's be friends on Duolingo. So if y'all download it, DM me on Instagram, and then we can request to be each other friends on there and like cheer each other on, because we could be speaking Spanish to each other. So I live in Memphis, and like I live close to an area where there are a lot of people who speak Spanish. So like I have more opportunities to like say excuse me or hello or ask a question, and I've been venturing out and being brave, like speaking Spanish to people who I know speak Spanish. So come join me. Also, the gym was kind of light today. Like as far as like people, I know it's February the 1st. The new year is technically like far from my mind, but I hope nobody's quit like their fitness goals for the new year. Like don't quit, y'all. Just do it for fun. Even if you do a little bit, even if you do just 30 minutes at the gym, cardio or weightlifting or whatever. Don't quit. The gym was very light today, and it had been like so thick in there in the afternoon. So hopefully it's just like a Thursday fluke and nobody has quit or fallen off, because we just made it to February. Let's at least try to make it to March. For Black History Month, we're going to keep honoring ourselves. We're going to keep honoring like the New Year's resolutions we made, whether it's the gym, financial goals, journaling, getting closer to God, Bible study, no shopping, making time to spend with family and friends, whatever like your goal was for the new year. Let's not give up on it yet. Let's at least make it through Black History Month, y'all. This is our month. Let's make it through this month before we be like, F them goals. And one other thing I wanted to say, because this is going to be like the whole vlog. I'm not going to do anything else. It was just really like a quick gym day and let's hanging out, like a chill day. But also, I was going to cancel Netflix, because I'm like, Netflix, if y'all go up on this bill one more time. Okay, Netflix used to be, $6.99, $9.99, then it was like $11 or $12.99. Baby, Netflix almost $20 now. Netflix, you done lost your little mind. But anyway, I was going to cancel it, right? Immediately. Netflix was new, because they put like a whole bunch of docu-series on there. I watched one called American Fiction. Y'all, it's 3 episodes, so it's like maybe 3 hours. I think each episode is almost like an hour. American Fiction on Netflix. Have y'all watched it? It is so good. It is like a roller coaster ride, and you gonna change your opinions a couple of times. I don't want to give it away, but it's right here. Watch American Fiction. Okay? It's good. It's good. And then Love is Blind is coming back. So I'm glad I didn't cancel Netflix show. Love is Blind is coming back on Valentine's Day. So in there for the Love is Blind. Also, what else I done watched on Netflix? I feel like I done watched a couple of other things, but those are the 2 things that's sticking out to me right now. What are you guys like watching on Netflix? What we got? We got Netflix, Hulu, Apple TV, Paramount, Peacock. Do y'all have any shows y'all are recommending? Let me know. And when I'm not watching that stuff, I'm mostly watching House Hunters. I didn't feel into like a House Hunter groove. Like I watched like an hour of House Hunters at night before I go to bed. And this is me yelling at TV. That's ugly. That's ugly. You can go over your budget. You go over your, like, I know. House Hunter be getting me. I be like, these is the 3 best houses y'all came up with. Okay. I enjoy hanging out with you guys today. In my mind, I promise, like, y'all are here. Even though it's just like me and the camera talking, in my mind, like, I can hear y'all. Wait a minute. That sounds real schizophrenic. Ain't nothing wrong with being schizophrenic, but that sounds schizophrenic if I say I can hear y'all responding to me. I can imagine some of the comments that will be left in response. So it's kind of like I'm anticipating things that y'all would say, especially the people who comment like more often. Like, I almost can get some of y'all personalities down like a little bit from the comments that y'all leave. So certain stuff I'd be like, okay, I can imagine this person would say this or this person would say this. And only like 2 or 3 of y'all coming on the video, so y'all know who y'all are. Anyway, I feel really like today, and it could be the pre-workout. I'm just gonna blame it on the pre-workout and just like a good mood from being in the gym. Endorphins. I want to say something really good, blunt, but I don't remember the quote. Something about endorphins making you happy, and happy people just don't kill their husband. Do y'all like Legally Blonde? I love Legally Blonde. I will see you guys in the next video. Did I tell you I was Asia G? I'm Asia G, and my channel is about fitness, fun, lifestyle, and a whole bunch of other stuff because my little Gemini self can't do just one thing. All right, now I'll see you next time.